Cognition Therapeutics presented new Phase 2 data highlighting the potential of its drug zervimesine, CT-1812, to address neuropsychiatric symptoms in dementia with Lewy bodies, DLB, at the ADPD 2026 Alzheimer's and Parkinson's Diseases Conference. The analysis comes from the SHIMMER study, which evaluated zervimesine across multiple domains, including behavioral, cognitive, motor, and overall function. The most notable benefit was seen in neuropsychiatric symptoms, such as hallucinations, delusions, agitation, and anxiety, which are among the most burdensome aspects of DLB for both patients and caregivers. A key result showed that zervimesine achieved an 86% slowing of decline on the Neuropsychiatric Inventory, NPI-12, compared to placebo. According to the company, this suggests a potential disease-modifying effect rather than just symptomatic relief. Unlike traditional treatments that may temporarily address individual symptoms, zervimesine is designed to slow disease progression itself, including the worsening of psychiatric and behavioral issues. The drug's mechanism may also offer a safety advantage. Many commonly used antipsychotics, such as haloperidol, are contraindicated in DLB patients due to severe side effects like worsened Parkinsonism, sedation, and immobility. In contrast, zervimesine showed a, quote, directionally favorable impact not only on psychiatric symptoms, but also on cognition, movement, and daily functioning, suggesting broader tolerability. These findings are particularly relevant given that up to 75% of DLB patients experience psychosis, and there are currently no approved treatments specifically for these symptoms in this population. Cognition Therapeutics believes zervimesine could fill this gap. Following discussions with the FDA, the company plans to advance development of zervimesine specifically for DLB-related psychosis. CGTX views this as a significant, unmet medical need and believes the drug's profile positions it as a potentially safer and more effective alternative to existing options, similar to the effective alternative for filtering out market noise with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.